All right, let's talk about Madrid. You think you know cities? That's cute. Madrid is that effortlessly cool friend who shows up late and steals the show. This city doesn't just welcome you, it sweeps you up in a whirlwind of energy and fun. Here, dinner starts when you'd usually be in bed, and the sun seems to shine just for the locals. Forget what you know about European capitals. Madrid is a city you feel, not just see. The real Madrid. It's laughter spilling from tapas bars at 1 a.m., grandmothers ruling the streets, and life lived out loud. You're not just sightseeing, you're getting a crash course in living. Madrid runs on its own time. Embrace the chaos, ditch your itinerary, and let the city surprise you. The magic is in the detours, the unplanned moments, and the stories you'll never find in a guidebook. Pack your curiosity, your sense of humor, and an empty stomach. The food here, worth a whole religion. Take a deep breath and dive in. Madrid is one wild, delicious ride. Madrid's must-sees: the Royal Palace, the Prado Museum, and Retiro Park. The Royal Palace is massive, over 3,000 rooms of gold, velvet, and royal drama. It's a walk through centuries of power and gossip. The Prado Museum, it's the Avengers of Art Goya, Velázquez, El Greco. Stand in front of Las Meninas and get lost in the mystery, or let Goya's black paintings haunt you. After all that, you'll need Retiro Park, a green oasis where Madrid comes to relax. Rent a rowboat, watch street performers, or just people watch by the Crystal Palace. These three spots capture Madrid's soul, its grand past, artistic heart, and vibrant present. See the palace, get your mind blown at the Prado, then chill in the park. It's the perfect Madrid day: culture, beauty, and a whole lot of life. Don't just check the boxes, feel the city. Let's be real. You're here for the food. Tapas aren't just small plates, they're a way of life. Hop from bar to bar, sampling patatas bravas, gambas al ajillo, and whatever the locals are eating. It's a culinary adventure, every stop a new flavour. Churros con chocolate, not your average snack. Golden, crispy, dipped in thick, rich chocolate, breakfast, midnight snack, or both. Try a bocadillo de calamares in Plaza Mayor, fried squid in a sandwich that just makes sense here. And jamon iberico, watching it sliced is an art, tasting it is a revelation. Be brave, be hungry, and follow the crowds into noisy bars. Eat late, share everything, and savor every bite. Food in Madrid is about connection, socializing, laughing, and living in the moment. If you're lost, just find a churreria. You can't go wrong. Madrid's food will change you. Come hungry, leave happy. Madrid has its own rules, and they're delightfully quirky. Time is flexible. Dinner at 10 p.m? Normal. Show up late? No one cares. Siesta isn't dead. Shops still close in the afternoon so families can recharge. Don't panic if you find a shop closed at 2 p.m. It's just Madrid living its best life. Greetings are warm. Expect 2 kisses on the cheek, even if you just met. It's friendly, open, and a little awkward at first. Just go with it. And New Year's Eve? Stuff 12 grapes in your mouth at midnight for good luck. It's chaotic, hilarious, and pure Madrid. These traditions aren't just habits, they're the heartbeat of the city. Embrace the quirks and you'll fit right in. Madrid's spirit is fun-loving, a little wild, and always welcoming. So grab your grapes and join the madness. That's how you do Madrid. Ready to thrive in Madrid? Here's how. Visit in spring or fall for perfect weather. Summer is scorching, winter is mild. The metro is your friend. Clean, fast, and easy. Walk everywhere else. Madrid is made for wandering. Skip the rental car, you don't need the stress. Learn a few Spanish basics. Hola, gracias, por favor. Locals love the effort. Order a cerveza or vino like a pro, and always know how to ask for the bathroom. Madrid isn't just a destination, it's an experience. Slow down, savor every moment, and let the city's energy sweep you up. You'll come for the sights, but you'll fall for the people and the vibe. Laugh, explore, and let Madrid work its magic. You might just leave a piece of your heart behind. Go live the Madrid way.